What's up, guys? We're back in Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. So my notebook now is telling me Elabos. Find clues about the reserve. So I have this gun right here. It gave me this starter gun with no rounds, but it does have full rounds in the gun. And it gave me another shiv. I don't know. Yeah, I have 2 shivs now. This is probably gonna be clues about the reserve right here. Let's see.
I had an inkling, and by God, I was spot on.
All right.
The reserve. It's out there.
The reserve.
It exists.
What's
this
the reserve?
gun I found proves it.
Okay, so I figured out that there's like this thing for like the task items, and that this backpack and a ton of other stuff, plus that huge battery and an antenna. It says now you gotta sleep until morning when it's safe to travel. I can't venture out at night, drink from the flask. Yeah, and then I like hold it up to my mouth. All right, day 2, early morning. Alright, now I'm in here. Why is the flask over here? Okay, no, I'm on my bed. Alright, let's see. Use the skiff to travel to the shallows. Okay, yeah, that's this. I think that's the skiff. How do I sit down? Oh, okay. I'm gonna get some stuff to recycle when I get back.
I have no one else to turn to.
Who's this?
My husband. He's turned. He begged me not to let it happen. But I just couldn't pull the trigger. He was all I had left. But I failed.
That sucks.
I'm so ashamed.
It's
Would you
alright.
be willing to help me out?
I will help you.
I just can't bring myself to do it. I need someone else to end this nightmare.
Seems dangerous. What's in it for me?
There's a safe in the mansion where we were camped. We
Alright.
had the code. No clue what could be in there.
Okay.
The code is yours if you help me. Please.
Bet.
I need this.
I will put him to rest.
I will
You
put
will?
him to rest.
Thank you. Here, take this key. I locked Reuben in a room. 2nd floor of the...
Sorry, I need a moment.
You seem
All right, you
distracted.
have my attention now.
You've returned. Thank you. You will? Thank you. That is so kind.
Boom.
Here, take this key. I locked Reuben in a room.
This key?
2nd floor of the Blue Mansion, just up the street.
So I've got to find this blue mansion. That's a big house and it's blue, so I'm gonna go there. Okay, alright, so I can climb this. I really don't like this. Hatchet. Shoink. I do not like this house, dude. This house is creepy. Oh shoot, he's up here? Alright, so Reuben's up here. There we go, Reuben. Good job.
My dearest Corinne, I lied to you. I am sorry. I had to spare you. A lost hope. Our
Shotgun.
children died by my hand.
Bro,
I know
what?
you will never be able to forgive me, but maybe one day you will understand that I had no choice.
Breath mint. Ugh. Hell no, hell no. I don't like this. Hey, where'd I come in? Yeah, I think that's her right there. I just killed like 8 walkers back there, dude.
Is it over?
I recovered the ring.
Thank you. This means the world to me. The only reminder of life before all of this. Reuben was a good husband and an amazing father.
Our
Shotgun.
children died by my hand.
Your husband
He
killed
killed
your
your children.
kids.
What the f***? is wrong with you? What proof do you have, huh?
Alright guys, so we're gonna go back to the Blue Mansion. I really do not want to go back. They blocked out the Blue Mansion?
Tide is turning.
Bro. Dude, I just need that microphone, huh? I mean, well, at least it's gonna be safe inside. Can I still climb up here to get inside?
I see you. Get the out of here!
Oh my god, dude. Be right back. I gotta do a quick Google search. Okay, so it's set to just annihilate everyone that's standing in your way. So, can I, like, sneak in there? I gotta sneak.
I suggest you get lost. Hey, nothing better to do?
3, 2, 1. She's dead now, so they're probably not gonna notice, right? I'm gonna kill her in 3, 2. Okay, why does it break when I kill them? Can I get in through the crawl space? Nope. Can I hop this fence? Alright. Alright.
Who's there?
Wait till he walks back over here, and then I'm gonna kill that guy.
Could have sworn I...
Boom. I've killed like 5 of them, I think, now. Can I still get in through here now? Okay, anyone here? Okay. Where could the mic be? Alright. Got the microphone. Now I've just got to make it out of the house. Did I come in through here? I didn't come in through there. Okay, yeah, I came in through here. Yeah, and then I came over here. Yep, alright, retracing my steps now. Alright, so I made it out. Let's go! That was kind of fun, honestly. I got to kill a ton of the tower members. I'm no longer that scared of this game. We are gonna install everything. Install the microphone on the radio. Boom. Now where does this go? Does this go like in here or something? Oh, okay. And the antenna is gonna go right there. Boom. Alright, strong signal. Boom. Make contact on station 61. Alright.
Waterfall.
What'd you just say?
Waterfall.
That's not possible. I need to know, though, that you're above board. We both want answers.
Alright.
The reserve. What do you know about it? You've probably heard more than most.
Well, how would I know more than anyone else?
You mentioned your ears were everywhere.
Oh, what the
What
heck?
was that?
What was that? Investigate the strange sound in the lantern. I'll do that in another video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.